Today I want to talk a little bit about those pretty looking resumes that you can find online. They have a lot of them on Canva. And so I want to just go through a few reasons why, while they look lovely, they are not the best thing for your job search. When you click on resume templates, you get a wide assortment of different templates. They look, quite lovely, very attractive, something that looks like would be difficult to create on your own. The resume that I've chosen for this demonstration is this one. It's, interesting looking, attractive, but I'm going to show you why it's not a good choice for your job search. Of course, you can go on, you can change the colors, you can go in and change all the information, but I'm just going to increase it to 75% to show you all the reasons why it's not a good choice. You can see the name, contact information, all of the work experience, the skills are all in text boxes, which are not read by an ATS system. Another reason why these resumes are not a good choice is because there's very little room for information. And while you want to have an attractive looking format, a nice design that's easy to scan and easy to read, the most important thing on your resume is the content. And a resume like this leaves very little space for you to provide that content. So next, let's take a look at another resume. Also looks very nice. Again, all of the information is in text boxes, which leaves also very little room to put any information on this resume. When we blow it up to 75%, again, you can see there's not much room in any of these positions to actually sell yourself to a potential employer. Another problem with this template and many of the templates on Canva is it has a space for your photo. Now, this isn't a good idea because it opens you up to potential unconscious bias, but HR does not like to see resumes with photos because it opens them to potential accusations of bias. So while these are quite lovely and you might want to use something like this for an executive bio or something to just share as more of a networking resume with people that you want to know that you're looking, but you don't want to send them your actual resume, but they are just not a good choice for your job search.